Imagine you've got a knockout tennis competition like Wimbledon, for example, or the Australian Open, since we've just had the Australian Open. At the start of the tournament, let's say just on the women's side, there are 128 players. Okay. 128 players at the start of the tournament. How many matches will be played in that tournament on the women's side of the draw, Becky? Now, as ever, Becky, because I'm a good teacher, I'm not looking for an answer particularly. I'm looking for your thoughts and your reasoning around this. And I was put on the spot with this in front of a room full of teachers, so I feel your
So
pain here,
you're,
but I
yeah,
feel like it
okay.
happened to me. It should happen to you as well.
Okay. So I feel like what I would do is, so there's 128, did you say? We were going for 128? So we'd start with half of that for the
Yep,
matches.
because everybody plays each other. Everybody plays
Yeah,
another person. Yep, so that would be 64 matches.
64. And then
Yep,
you'd half that again for the next round.
because half those players have gone out.
Yeah. And then continue to half it until you got to two, which would be the final,
Okay, yep,
and then add them together.
and that would be it. Okay, so we could do that, right? It's not too much maths, is it? It's a piece of paper and a pen. We could do that. But what we were talking about was this idea that the best mathematicians do the easiest maths, right? Now, I didn't see it this way. I did exactly what you just said there, Becky. That's how I worked it out.
Yeah.
But there is quite a beautiful way of looking at it. So, what actually happens in a knockout tournament? What happens at the end of every match?
There's a winner and a loser.
There's a winner and a loser. So, after every match that's played, there's a winner and a loser.
Who's
Overall,
out?
how many winners are there of the entire
One.
tournament? How many? One. So, what happened to every other player?
They all were knocked out.
They were all knocked out. So, how many players were knocked out?
127.
So, how many matches must have been played?
127.
127, yeah. So without
Love
doing
that.
any maths at all, we can sort of reason our way to why that must be. So just to recap, 28 players, one winner. So 127 must lose, and if every match eliminates exactly one player, 127 losers, there must be 127 matches. And that's all there is to it. So the thing that I loved about that is that it was you didn't have to compute anything, you didn't have to calculate anything. It was just that really nice example of the best mathematicians doing the easiest maths, I think. And that's what we should be looking for, isn't it?